Hi, John Lay here. Talk to you about advanced content creation features in the learning management system. In modern times, learning management systems and authoring tools have kind of converged and blended. Sure, there's still third-party authoring tools like Articulate out there, but more and more of the modern LMSs are entering in content creation features into their application to really blur that line. Many organizations, including myself, author almost primarily inside the learning management system for our own content, including this content that you're watching right now. So probably the first advanced feature to think about is the concept of page templates we learned about in the basic features. But in advanced, those page templates go from static to dynamic in different ways. And so one way is to have interactivity page templates. And interactivity page templates are ways that you can use web design in templated format to make it so that the user has to click or engage with the content in somehow. And that could be from information presentation. So if you've ever seen like a list roll concept where you click on a title and it drops down and exposes a paragraph of text or a video or an audio. So you could have a list of like 10 things that you click on each one and dig down into deeper information. That's called a list roll. Or a clickable graphic that might have like 4 or 5 hotspots on it. You click on that hotspot and then additional instruction or video or audio comes up that would help instruct you. It could just be clickable graphics of different sorts of not hotspots, but regions is another one you see, or perhaps perhaps like flip cards or flashcards, so you could have cards with pictures or definitions on one side and titles on another. These could all be pages of content that allow you to create, stop along the way in your learning journey for the learner to play, a few rounds of Jeopardy or other games. So interactivity templates then turn into gaming type templates where it could be games just like TV, television, Jeopardy or Wheel of Fortune or $25,000 Pyramid, or those types of games where you can gamify the learning experience through these templates. And then finally is the ability to go further with just tested questions, but to add in surveys and polls and flash polls and different assessment type quiz activities that are in the moment. And so all of those can be combined with third-party objects and authoring tools, as well as videos from YouTube or any other thing that you bring inside the system. Another advanced feature in the content authoring is to bring the social templates right in. So bring a template where you ask the user to reflect or to introduce themselves to the rest of the class or to start a discussion or to answer a discussion or to share content. That can be folded right into the LMS, and that's what makes LMS and content creation capabilities so powerful. Is you can't enter in those interactivity templates in a third-party authoring tool because they have no idea what the LMS is going to be. However, you can do that kind of stuff when you blur the line with your own authoring inside the learning management system. One other feature that is adaptive learning, which we have a micro lesson on, to be able to really personalize that information based on who you are and your demographics or what you know and your skill and competency profile. Also the concept of a SCORM export, so that you can author inside the LMS, but you could still export SCORM packages that your clients or members or other organizations could put in their LMS, but you can track the license and report on it and restrict it so that it can't be overused from the core LMS. So those are some examples of advanced content creation management features, and really it's the features on this video that really draw people away from authoring tools into the LMS to author their content.